Hello everyone, this is Aisha. Today we're going to be learning 4 vocabularies, which is very common, but they're not beautiful. They are unpleasant and horrifying. But we need it to talk about what is happening in the world, what is happening nowadays. So let's get started with the first one. Bloodbath. Bloodbath. Bloodbath ဆိုတာကလူတွေအစုလိုက်ပြုံးလိုက်တက်ခံပြီးတော့သွေးချောင်းစီးနေတဲ့အခြေအနေကို bloodbath လို့ပြောတယ်။အထူးသဖြင့်စစ်ပွဲတွေမှာလူတွေအများကြီးသေဆုံးပြီးတော့သွေးချောင်းစီးသွားတာကိုပြောတာဖြစ်တယ်။ Example: The Second World War is indeed a bloodbath where a lot of people were killed very violently. The Second World War is indeed a bloodbath where a lot of people were killed very violently. Next one, bloodshed. Bloodshed. Bloodshed ဆိုတာကရန်ဖြစ်တဲ့နေရာမှာသွေးထွက်တန်ရုံတွေဖြစ်တာကိုပြောတာဖြစ်တယ်။ရန်မဲနှစ်ယောက်တည်းရန်ဖြစ်တာဖြစ်ဖြစ်အဖွဲ့လိုက်ရန်ဖြစ်တာဖြစ်ဖြစ်စစ်ပွဲတွေမှာဖြစ်ဖြစ်သွေးထွက်တန်ရုံတွေဖြစ်တာကို bloodshed လို့ပြောတယ်။ Example: I control my anger not to fight with him because I want to avoid bloodshed. I controlled my anger not to fight with him because I want to avoid bloodshed. The two nations called a truce to avoid further bloodshed. The two nations called a truce to avoid further bloodshed. Next one, to be covered in blood. To be covered in blood. To be covered in blood ဆိုတာကလူတစ်ယောက်ကိုသွေးတွေအလိမ့်လိမ့်နဲ့ဖြစ်နေတာကို to be covered in blood လို့ပြောတယ်။ Example: His body was covered in blood when I found out. His body was covered in blood when I found out. The last one, to be buried alive. To be buried alive. To be buried alive ဆိုတာကလူတစ်ယောက်ကိုအရှင်လက်လက်ကြီးမြေမြုပ်တက်ပစ်တာဒါမှမဟုတ်အပြင်မှာနှိပ်စက်ထားပြီးမသေခင်လေးမှာမြေမြုပ်လိုက်တာ This one is indeed terrifying. Example: Finally, the detective found out that the victim was buried alive. Finally, the detectives found out that the victim was buried alive. Well, this is all for today, and I really hope you learn something new and you expand your vocabulary. But I know these vocabulary are terrifying, not beautiful, but very common, so we have to learn. Thank you for watching the video, and I'm going to see you in my next video.